Hi, I'm Lester Loving. I'm an independent researcher who has been studying sacred geometry and the science of magnets, crystals, and pyramids for about 40 years now. And I'm looking forward to sharing all of this wonderful information with all the students that are coming this weekend.
And what's that hanging to your right? Or your left?
Oh, this thing?
Uh-huh.
This whole thing?
Uh-huh.
This is formerly known as an icosahedron, and it not only represents the water molecules, it is the shape of the Earth's magnetic field, and many gemstones and crystals also grow in this particular format. So we'll be exploring what it is and how we can use it.
Great. Thank you.